Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Wow, you see guys, there are so many animals here. But before I review it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay guys, so let's start it now. You see guys, what is that? Yes, this is a giraffe. You see guys, giraffe has a long neck that serves to reach the leaves on the tall tree for food. Wow, it's so beautiful guys. And then, this is a cow with the calves. You know guys, that cow can produce milk. Wow, it's so cool guys. And then, this is a frog. You know that frogs are animals that live on land and in water. And frogs can jump high guys. Wow, it's so cute guys. And then, this is a rabbit. You see guys, the rabbit has a long ears. Wow, it's so cute guys. And then this is a tiger. You see guys, the tiger's body covered with short hair with stripe pattern. Usually the color of the stripe is a variation from brown to black. Wow, it's so cute guys. And then this is a lion. See guys, the lion is so wild, and lion also known as the king of the jungle. Wow, it's so cute guys. And then this is a kangaroo. You see guys, the kangaroo has a large paws and they many are found in Australia. Wow, it's so cute guys. And then this is a goldfish. See guys, the goldfish have a body shape that tends to be short and round. Wow, it's so funny guys. And then this is a seal. You know that seal generally have smooth skin and rather large in size. Wow, it's so cool guys. And then this is a dolphin. You see guys, the dolphin is so cute guys. Wow, it's so funny guys. And then these are ducks. You know that ducks like swimming guys, but duck feet make it easier for them to swim. Wow, it's so cute guys, it's so beautiful. And then this is a horse with a foal. Wow, they are so cute guys. You know guys that the horse has a long tail. It serves to maintain the horse's balance when it's running. Wow, it's great guys. And the last one is, this is a lizard. You see guys, the lizard's tail is so long. Wow, it's so cute guys. Okay guys, I have reviewed it all, so stay tuned on my next video. See you, bye bye.